What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I just wanted to give a big shout out to two people. One, my good friend Chris. You guys have probably seen him here on YouTube as well on my channel. He's the one with the red Tacoma. So of course, his Instagram is always linked down below. So if you want to go check him out, go ahead. Also, I wanted to give a big shout out to Tacoma crew. We actually went on a trail with them this weekend, and I wanted to say a big thank you to them. Honestly, they were like super humble, and I had a lot of fun, and I'm sure everybody that was there had a lot of fun as well, just like me. I didn't really record anything, but I do have like 1 or 2 clips. Enjoy these clips right now.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So I hope you enjoyed those little clips that I did film. Like I said, I didn't really record anything. Also, please stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot more, maybe rock sliders, maybe, I'm not gonna say anything else, but just stay tuned. We're gonna be having good installs. Of course, exactly how-tos. Stay tuned because we're gonna be doing an awesome giveaway. I guarantee you, if you win it, you're gonna be super happy with it. And I gotta give a big thanks again to my friend Chris because he's making that happen. So if you guys want to check him out, like I said, his Instagram's in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get into the vanity light install, and I'll show you. Alright, so of course, first things first is you want to go ahead and pull down your sun visor. Once you pull down your sun visor, these are going to be your vanity lights. This is going to be a really simple install, and I'll show you right now. But anybody with lights on their sun visor, you guys already know the lights there are not that good. They're that yellow color, and maybe for you as a girl, or you know, when you guys want to do your makeup or whatever, you know these lights don't really light up. So this is really going to help you guys out as well. So first things first is you want to go ahead and get a really small flathead screwdriver. We'll go ahead and close that for now. And of course, this is going to be the top section. And if you look right here under, in person, you'll be able to see it really good. There's going to be a little hole where you can insert the flathead screwdriver. You pop it up. Once it snaps, you should be able to just pry it open. So pries open. And there's your bulb. What I do is pretty much just take it out really easily. There you go. So of course, we're still using the same LED package, which will be in the description box below. This one is really cool because it comes with the 2 map lights, the 1 of the dome lights, 4 of the vanity lights, and 2 for your license plate. So if you want to pick this up, like I said, it will be in the description box below. Since we already removed the stock one, now you want to go ahead and get your brand new LED bulb. So once you pop it in, now you want to go ahead and test it out. If it does not turn on, all you got to do is remove it and turn it 180 degrees, pop it back in, and it should work. They are polarity specific. So right off the bat, you could tell they're a lot brighter than this side. This side's ugly, this side's not. So once you've tested this out and you know it does work, now of course you want to go ahead and put the cover back on. So it's really simple. You want to go ahead and put the top back first. Once you put the top back first, you just go ahead and pop in the bottom and it's done. So we'll go ahead and do the same to the opposite side.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising.
So now that you've installed both, as you can tell, it looks really good. It's going to be a lot brighter at night. And stay tuned because once it gets dark outside, I'll go ahead and open it and show you guys again, just so you guys get a night view as well. So of course, once you've done this side, you repeat the same exact steps for the opposite side, which is the passenger side. So if you guys enjoyed this, please make sure to share this video. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I say stay tuned because we're gonna have an awesome giveaway for you guys. Even if you don't want it for yourself, I guarantee one of your friends or family is gonna want it. So I say you stay tuned for it. Also, we're gonna be having a lot more installs coming soon, and they're gonna be pretty interesting. So I would suggest subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.